What's up guys? Today in this video we're going to be playing hide and go seek with my dogs. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys some spots where I plan on hiding first, quick little tour, and then we'll start the video. So I plan on hiding here. This is Kami's crate. I'm going to hide in here. In the last video we hid here, but instead of here we're going to hide right here in there in the shower. And Kami's in here chilling like a good girl. Oh, you look cute, Kirby. What's up? You a star. Yeah. You want to play some hide and go seek? Let him out in like 20 seconds.
3, 2, 1, go!
Was he barking at the door? Hey, good boy, Cyber. Good job. Come on, Kirby. Come on out of there. Alright, this is a perfect time to introduce our sponsor for today's video. Milo's Kitchen. Kidding, I'm not sponsored by him, but I figured I might as well show you guys what I'm feeding them in this video. It's that real chicken meat, 20% crude protein. They're the focus. They're the stars of this video. Show them off. Get all up in her face with that camera. Yeah, you. Oh, you. Give me so cute. Good girl. Uh-huh. Hey, that's a boy. That was a good find. Good job. So I'm gonna have the dogs go downstairs in the basement, and when they're in the basement, I'm gonna go in the shower. But when they come up to go find me, I'm gonna trick them by putting this treat right here, right before this entryway. And then I'm gonna put one like over there, just so their smell is diverted this way, even though I'm right over there. You wanna go? Shower, the spot I am hiding. Alright guys, we're gonna get my view. Cyber. What you doing, Cyber? Alright, that's a find. Hey, what's up, doggy dog? How you doing? Look at, hey, dog, hello, hey, going in on the treat. Did you catch that, Kami? Good job for you, Cyber. Oh, good boy. Yeah, good find, Cyber. What's up, Kirby? Good dog. You're such a good boy. Oh, thanks for sneezing all up on my leg. That was a good find, Kami. You gotta give me a high five first. Ooh, I forgot about the crate spot. That one I feel like they're not gonna find me. Yeah, this is gonna be it, y'all. Dude, I'm gonna hide behind the crate. I'm gonna bust out a folded blanket for y'all. Hit the like button, because I gotta refold this blanket. Kami found me first. Yeah, Kami, you get a whole treat for that one. Somebody want to go outside? I'm gonna let him outside. Then I'll do the outro. Alright, y'all, that was this video. Thanks for watching. I don't know if this is gonna be a 10-minute video. I don't know if this is gonna be a short video. It's gonna be whatever I think it needs to be. If you enjoyed it, let me know what you liked about it, and maybe we'll do another one at a different location, you know. Who knows? Thanks for watching. Bye. Cyber says bye too. He said I love you that time.